Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are good. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be taking these braids out. This is long overdue, y'all. These braids need to go. As you can see, like, it's just old and like the roots have just grown out. I've had this on for over 2 months. I just need a new hairstyle. I'm tired of it. Even though they're beautiful and I am gonna miss them, I just need something else, you know. As I take these braids out, I'm gonna be showing you guys some tips and tricks and tell you guys things you should do and things you shouldn't do. Believe it or not, some people don't know how to take out their braids, and some people tend to lose a lot of hair when they take out their braids. So I'm gonna show you guys how to avoid these mistakes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get to it. Can you guys just see this? Like, see this right here? This is how you lose your edges. This is how people keep their hair on for so long and eventually it just falls out and you lose your edges. So you need to take them out ASAP. I mean, look at all this. This is how people lose their edges, and yeah, this is how you know it's time to take your braids out. So the first tip I'm gonna give you guys is start taking your braids out at the back. If you have errands to run, if you have places to go, and maybe you're taking this out during the day, you never know what can come your way. So take your braids out at the back. All you have to do is tie your hair back in a ponytail and yeah, the rest will be covered. Or you can just wear a cap or tie your hair or something. At least the rest of these braids will just cover the ones at the back, so no one would know you were taking your braids out. So I know that I'm not gonna go anywhere anytime soon, so I'm safe. So I can definitely start taking it out from the front. But if you know you're gonna go somewhere, if you know you could be busy, if you know things could happen, or if you're not sure, then do start at the back because so my next tip is when you take your braid out, some people start from the end and that's gonna take you forever, especially if your braids are super long like mine. But you guys can see where my hair starts, just around here. So what I like to do is I like to cut it just a little bit past my hair just to be safe, because you never know. I cut it short and I take it out. And if you don't know where your hair starts, then you can surely just take the whole one out and kind of measure where your hair would start, and you can cut it from there. My next tip is when you take your braids out, a lot of people just leave it like this and just take everything out. By the time you finish taking your braids out, you're left with like big knots everywhere, and when you wash it, it's gonna be a disaster. You're gonna have to detangle your hair in the shower, and it's just a long process. So what I always tell my customers or people around me, I always tell them detangle your hair as you go. I know a lot of people don't like to detangle the hair just like this dry because it can break your hair and you can lose a lot of hair. So what you can do is get a spray bottle, make sure it's filled with water. You can add oils, whatever you want to add into it, and just kind of spray it a little bit like I'm doing, and then you can start detangling your hair just like that. That way you're not gonna lose so much hair like a lot of people do, you know. So that's it, simple. Look, I didn't even lose any hair, nothing came out. When you finish taking your hair out, you're gonna see it's just gonna look nice. You're not gonna lose so much hair, and it's just handy. Like, people need to know these things. So as you guys can see, we've taken most of the hair out. There's literally only this much left, and right now it's 4:34. Like, so it only took about 40 minutes, which isn't bad. I actually thought it was gonna take longer than that, but I did get some help. So yeah. So my next point for you guys is when you're gonna take your braids out, make sure you take it out in sections. The reason why I did that is because the front part of my hair is a lot shorter than the mid part of my hair. So if you're gonna cut it, don't cut everything, because a lot of people cut everything and just leave it and start taking it out one by one. So what I do is I'll section the front part and I'll cut it. And then when I finish taking the front part out, I'll go to the back and then cut it and take it out. So yeah, I hope that makes sense. Does that make sense?
It does make sense to me.
When I take my braids out, I don't usually use a comb because I feel like it's faster for me because I have longer nails. So
it's faster for me when I use the comb.
Yeah, he uses a comb, but I use my nails to take it out. So if you've got nails and you want to take it out, then it could be faster. So make sure you try it. Okay, so everything's out. You guys, this feels so good. I can't wait to wash my hair and style it. Oh my god. But anyway, I'm so sorry I look so ratchet. I'm gonna go wash my hair now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video and I hope you learned something. So next time you take your braids out, try these tricks that I showed you, and yeah, let me know how it goes for you guys. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.